Welcome to the Brigade Subcommander tutorial. This video covers both date and no-date models. Each Subcommander uses BGW9 Super Luminova to help users during low light conditions. The crown on the right side of the watch is used to wind the watch and adjust the time and date. To wind the watch, unscrew the crown fully counterclockwise to position 0, then turn clockwise. To change the time, pull the crown out to position number 1 and turn clockwise or counterclockwise to move the minute and hour hands to the desired time. To change the date, turn clockwise to cycle through until the desired date. Once finished, secure the crown by pushing it back to position 0 and turn clockwise to screw the crown back in. The Subcommander features a unidirectional bezel, allowing users to track time specifically for underwater diving, but can be used for other activities. To open the bracelet clasp, use the recessed area under the small safety buckle and simply lift open the small buckle. Once the small buckle is open, you can now release the larger buckle by simply pulling the top portion of the clasp. To utilize the diver's extension, release the end link and slide it inside the micro adjustment zone to the desired setting. Note, version 2 of the end links will allow for this full adjustment. The Subcommander features drilled lug holes, making it easy to swap bracelets and straps. Simply insert a spring bar tool's pin side into each side to release the spring bar ends and remove the bracelet. Thanks for watching the Subcommander operation tutorial. For more information, contact our customer service via our website or social media channels.